Artistic Recipes Kitchen Style.
The anticipation is over. We are here. Making Artistic Recipes Kitchen Style.
Yeah, thanks for joining us. Today we have a delicious recipe we want to share with you all. It's Christmas, so Merry Christmas. Today we have a seafood dressing and a seafood gravy. We have already tried this today, and I just want to let you know it's great. So go ahead and get your ingredients ready from the description box below, and let's start cooking. Okay, so today we're going to be making a seafood gravy, and in our seafood gravy we're going to use these shrimp that are going to marinate for about an hour. I've already put my shrimp and my olive oil in a Ziploc bag. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add some lemon juice. I'm going to add some minced garlic, some paprika, some black pepper, some kosher salt, some hot sauce, and some parsley. So I'm going to mix all of this up together in here, and I'm going to let this marinate in the refrigerator for about an hour, and then we'll start on the seafood gravy. Okay, so we've gotten to the stage where we are going to melt our butter so that we can saute our onions and green onions, and it's going to make the gravy. But on this side, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add my shrimp that I have marinated overnight with all the other great things in here, juices and stuff. And you can get that recipe from the description box below. So I'm going to saute those for a minute. I'm going to saute those for a minute. Okay, this is heating up, so I'm getting ready to add my 4 tablespoons of flour after I saute my onions and green onions. So we're going to let that cook for a minute. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and add these onions. Oh my goodness, this smells absolutely delicious. We have our onions and green onions sauteing in our butter and olive oil. Over here we have our shrimp that has marinated. Those have steamed down. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my 4 tablespoons of flour. And I'm going to mix this in a bit. Let that flour cook down a little. so we can kind of get rid of that flour taste. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of beef paste. I'm gonna mix that in. Oh, okay. Alright, so now that we've done that, we're gonna add 2 cups of shrimp broth. We have had such an amazing Christmas. I hope everyone else did as well. We have actually already eaten this with our seafood dressing, but I decided I'd come in here and whip up another can of this because I know I had to get this video up before we go out this evening. So we've added 2 cups of shrimp broth. And the way I got that shrimp broth is I actually boiled my shrimp shells and I drained the broth from it. And that's where I was able to get that. Now this is thickening up with the gravy consistency. It's almost ready. It smells really good, doesn't it, Zion?
It does.
Okay, so now that I have a gravy consistency, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to add my shrimp. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pour this entire container of shrimp. I'm gonna leave that extra little juice in there. And I'm gonna saute my crawfish while the shrimp is cooking in the gravy. Okay, so we have all of our shrimp cooking in the gravy. We have added the crawfish tails. We're gonna let those saute and we're gonna add them to the gravy, and guess what? We're finished. We had this with our dressing earlier and it was absolutely delicious. You will definitely have to try this recipe at home. Okay, so now I'm going to add the rest of this to the gravy. And we'll let that simmer for a bit until they cook all the way through. Thanks for cooking with Making Artistic Recipes Kitchen Style. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Merry Christmas! Thanks for viewing Making Artistic Recipes Kitchen Style for today's cooking segment.
Hey guys, we appreciate you viewing our channel. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's.
Bye!